Good morning, my dear friend. I welcome you again in my YouTube channel Brilliant Study. I hope in the previous class you have known about the alkane, alkene, and alkyne well. Now today we will read about the cycloalkane and its structure. We will learn about the structure of benzene also. As the name cycloalkane suggests us, the structure of the cycloalkane is cyclic. That means it has the structure like this, cycle-like structure. And if we talk about the formula of the cycloalkane, then the general formula for cycloalkane is CnH2n. And the name of the cycloalkane will be in the following rule. If we talk about if number of carbon atom 3, then the cycloalkane name start with cyclo, and since there is number of carbon atom 3 and so the root name for 3 is prop, and at the last A and E will be added and the name for the cycloalkane will be cyclopropane. Now we will understand it well by a table as described in the previous classes. Now go through the table. If n equals to 1, then the formula will be C1H2 into 1. That means CH2. And according to rule, the name should be cyclo, and here the number of carbon atom is 1, so the root name for 1 is 8th, and A and E will be added, cyclomethane. And the structure should be, the possible structure for this formula is this, but this is not possible. This is not a cyclic structure, and this compound is also not possible. So no compound is cyclomethane, and like this. Now take n equals to 2. The formula will be C2H2 into 2. That means C2H4. The name should be cyclo. The number of carbon atom is 2, so cycloethane. And it should be this type of structure. Is it a cyclic structure? Obviously not. It is the structure of ethene. So this is not the formula for cycloethane, and the compound cycloethane is not possible for anything. Now take n equals to 3. The formula will be C3H2 into 3. That means C3H6. The name should be cyclo, and for N3 the name will be propane. And the structure will be, there is number of carbon atom 3, so the structure will be C1, 2, 3, H6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we all know that carbon has the valency 4. That means carbon will form 4 single bonds. The first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Again, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Fourth one. And for this carbon also, first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Now Look at the structure for cyclopropane. Here is carbon atom, here and here. It makes a cyclic structure. So the first member of cyclopropane is the first member of cycloalkane is cyclopropane, and before n equals to 3 no cycloalkane is possible, and in this way we can find the other structure for cycloalkane. Take n equals to 4. The formula will be C4H2 into 4. That means C4H8. The name will be cyclobutane, and the structure will be like this. Number of hydrogen atom 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It starts from this carbon. First, second, third, fourth. Carbon has 4 single bonds. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, the cyclobutane forms a cyclic structure. Take n equals to 5. So formula will be CnH2n. C5H2 into 5. Formula will be C5H10. The name will be cyclopentane. The structure will be like this. Number of hydrogen atom is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the form will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for n equals to 6, it will be C6H2 into 6. C6H12. The name will be cyclohexane. And the structure will be number of carbon atom 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of hydrogen atom 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the form will be 1, 2, 3, 4. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again for this, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, the cyclohexane form a cyclic structure.